what is light? And how does it affect color? At first glance, these two may seem completely different, like fire and wind. But if you take a closer look, you'll see how they interact with each other and change the world around us. If you take a prism and hold it up to the light, it reflects a rainbow onto the ground. Why is this? As it turns out, light travels in waves, like the ocean. Each wave is a different color. Some colors, like red, travel much slower than the others, while blues travel much, much faster. Each color has a different length wave, and those wavelengths determine what colors reach our eyes first. What's that? I'm only explaining the colors of light? True. I'll show you why. Let's turn off the lights. What colors do you see? Just black, right? When there's no light, there's no color. Let's move on. Take a look at water and space. You're probably thinking that they have nothing to do with light and color, but let me explain. Space is mostly dark, cold, and colorless. However, there are a few stars that shine here, literally. When you look at the stars through a telescope, you'll find that they're not all the sunny yellow you've been led to believe. Some appear red or blue. This is because of distance. Everything in the universe is slowly drifting away from everything else. This is caused by dark energy. The dark energy is pushing everything outward, and as the stars get farther away, the wavelengths of light stretch, turning their colors from blue and yellow to red and orange. Now that I've explained light and color's relationship to space, let me tell you how it affects water. Have you ever noticed how Hawaii and the Bahamas have such beautiful turquoise water? Yep, that's because of light too. The places with turquoise water are right around the equator, meaning they get more sunlight than places like Alaska or Maine. The sea looks blue because the sunlight gets scattered by the water molecules. Almost all of the sunlight gets absorbed into the depths of the ocean. The red, yellow, and green wavelengths of sunlight get absorbed by the water molecules, leaving the blue and purple. The closer you are to the shore, the bluer the water will be, because the sunlight bounces off the seafloor like a bouncy ball. So more blue reaches your eyes. Now you know how light affects color. Thanks for watching.